Bone and Joint Rejuvenation, a center for health and wellness.
My name is Alice, and I'm 62 years old. At the age of 12, I had an accident that started a lifelong series of problems and pain in my lower back, left hip, and sciatica. From 15 years old on, I've always worked at least 2 jobs at the same time. Right now I work 2 full-time jobs, and this does not seem to help my problem. But 2.5 years ago, I saw a back surgeon who recommended having x-rays of my lower back and left hip. The prognosis, a herniated disc and severe stenosis. The hip, however, x-rays showed much more of a total bone-to-bone problem. It was an advanced situation that had to be taken care of right away, so I did end up having a hip replacement. Consequently, my hip surgery was successful, but was hoping that it would help my other problems, but it really didn't. My sciatica was very, very painful and had gotten to the point of being constant. At my evening job, I met Michael, who was a regular customer at Walgreens, and he had asked me if something was wrong, how I was feeling, and I said, no, I'm fine. And he said, no, you're not. I can tell you're not. And he said, you know what? I know somebody that can help you. And I thought, well, okay. And he gave me Dr. David's card. Well, after 2 visits, Dr. David turned out to be a miracle worker. My sciatic pain that I had for 48 years was gone. And to this day, 2.5 years later, I've never had that pain reoccur. My lower back has been much better. Once in a while, if I'm really tired, it bothers me, but I don't have the constant pain that I was experienced almost all my life. Something about Dr. David that is very rare nowadays is that not only does he treat you, he knows every part of the body. You could talk about anything going on with your body, and he will help you. If he doesn't know the answer, he will find out, and he will investigate what's going on with your body. Dr. David is not just a chiropractor, he's not just a physical therapist, he's not just doing acupuncture. Dr. David cares about his patients. You're a person. I've recommended Dr. David to several people that I know, friends as well as customers at Walgreens, and my coworkers. Everybody is absolutely amazed with Dr. David. Wish I could keep him in my pocket for the rest of my life. Dr. David is the best.
After you've watched these 3 testimonies and you believe these people are not acting, but are for real, and your answer is yes, you too want to regain your life again from back, neck, joint pain, or injury? Get your life back now. Call a chiropractic doctor that cares for your complete health and wellness. Dr. Daud Anwarzai, also known as Dr. David. 1-847-215-1255. Make your appointment today. This video production is brought to you by MorPRO Studio, an independent production house of film and music. MorPRO Studio celebrates the moral of the story in the image of the creator of the universe, to the health and restoration of all people on earth.